fun time at Jenna's sleepover party.
Yeah, me too. I'm kind of tired. It's only 8 o'clock. Do you want to dip?
I don't know. Maybe we should have a pillow fight.
Yeah. Oh my god, I think she's bleeding.
After that,
What do you want to do now?
I don't know.
Hey girls, what's going on?
Nothing.
You guys having a good time?
yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Looks like you're having a lot of fun. You got blood all over the floor.
We're having a
we don't
pillow
really know what
fight.
happened with that.
Yeah.
What, do you got bricks in those pillows?
No.
No.
No, they're just
Okay.
normal pillows.
Well, we'll see you later, girlfriend.
Alright, take
All
care,
right.
girlfriends. Peace
See you,
out.
girlfriend.
Bye, girls.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow. Was that Jenna's dad?
I don't know.
What do you want to do now?
Well, it's kind of getting late. Let's go sleep.